sensitive in one's cultural and social groups. Audience analysis, demographic analysis. Audience analysis is demographic analysis, attitudinal analysis, or environmental analysis. Effective communication is a content context. Content and context is effective communications. Two types of communication. Two types of communication are purposive communication. Two types of communication in the purposive communications is verbal and non-verbal. Specific code. Communication is the process of sharing meaning through verbal and non-verbal.
Di, ikaw na. Ina, dili ako. Wala, hindi ko sinutan. Di, sa itong suot ako nga. Napapas.
Makurata mo sa ito.
Ako nagsundot siya nga na.
Naunit ka.
Ano siya?
Uy, face card.
Nalubaran.
Awa, ipakita ni Carl. Ipakita ni Carl ba? Ipakita ni Carl. Worship. Communication is the process. Communication is the process of sharing meaning through verbal and non-verbal.
Nasa YouTube eh.